What's up guys, it's your boy John, back again here with another video. So for 2023, it's been pretty hectic for me. Got a new kid, I got a new house, moving in a source, selling the old house and all of that. So today we're gonna just talk about channel updates and where I wanna kind of move with this channel. I have a good amount of followers and subscribers, so I just want to keep you guys informed. Recently, my wife and I picked up this Model Y. This is her car. It's an amazing car, and with all those tax credits and those California rebates, you kind of just, this is like the go-to, especially if you're a car guy. You kind of want like a project car and then like a family hauler. So I'm in my 30s now, so I want to pretty much still be into what I used to like as a kid, like a younger teenager, or my young 20s, but still have practicality. This is a 3-row 0 to 60, 4.8. I can get to 4.2 with performance boost. Can fit 7 people. Like, I already have a lot of parts coming for this car. Max speed rods, lowering suspension. I have wheels, the induction wheels. And then I also have just a lot of accessories. So if you guys were kind of like want to see me build this car as like a tuner guy for like a JDM guy, S2000 WRX and stuff. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm probably keep the look pretty aggressive and OEM plus. It's my wife's car, so it's whatever she wants. But I kind of lend her hand there. As you can see to the right of me, or to your left, it's the Model S. It's been a great car. We just need a little bit more space. That's why hence the 7-seater. So I'm gonna be selling the Model S, and I'm gonna be picking up a project car. So I have the NSX as kind of like my exotic car, but then I'm gonna have like a project car I kind of really work on. It's no secret. I'm planning to pick up a Honda S2000 AP2. So stick around if you guys want to see something like that. I'm going to be doing head units, restoration. The car is kind of in a rough shape, so I'm going to do some detailing and stuff like that. Polishing, cutting, compounding. I'm going to be doing that to this car too, because I want to ceramic coat this, and also have the white interior, so I want to ceramic coat the interior of that as well. Of course, we also have Android head units. So this one I'm gonna have, it's supposed to be for a BMW, the newer ones, the F series, but my friend said he can't do it anymore because he sold the car. So I have this Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. So what this basically does is, if you have a BMW but you like that OEM look, this will give you CarPlay and Android Auto without giving a whole new head unit. So it's like a little computer chip, and you just kind of plug it in and now you have CarPlay. So this is compatible with the Mercedes, Volkswagen, Land Rover, BMW, Porsche, Jaguar, Honda, Audi, Passat, Pegget. I don't know why I say Passat. I guess I was thinking Volkswagen, but Volvo and Aston Martin DBS. So I'm gonna be unboxing this real quick. This is from Dasaita, so I'm gonna at least do an unboxing on that real quick after I just kind of go over the channel. But yeah, I've been very happy with just my life, kind of living it. I'm in my 30s again, so I'm just trying to grow my family, then just give my kids the best opportunity, but still retaining a part of me. And part of me was always about modifying cars. I'm a big car guy, so I have those cars coming up, the S2000, and I'm thinking about picking up the Lotus as well, but that's kind of been on a halt. It's been delayed for a bit. So for now, the Model Y has been incredible. It's like the #1 selling car, and it's actually faster than my NSX and all that. So as weird as it is, electric for a DD is probably the way to go, but I still like rolling my gears. So, but let's go to this little unboxing part of the video. Again, this is from Dasaita, and it will give you CarPlay, wired and wireless, and you'll be able to mirror your phone and also have camera input. So let's give it a go. A little slippery, boom. It's actually packaged very well. We have the good foam on the top with a little separation piece. So this is what I was talking about. This is computer chip, so it's not traditionally like an Android head unit. It is a computer that kind of taps in between, and it looks like there's an antenna, micro SD card, and a USB port. It's not USB, but it's labeled USB. On this side, power and some other pins, and this looks like some kind of antenna. Remember, this kind of goes in between, so there's nothing under here, but on this side right here you have a lot of the harnesses, and these harnesses will go in between your OEM head unit, and it'll basically tether to your OEM unit and giving it that functionality. A bunch of cables, Wi-Fi antennas and such to get that wireless. Looks like we have some more adapters. But yeah, this install for the BMW, I know, is it's not hard per se, but there's a lot of tools you're gonna need. So hopefully I can find the BMW to do this car on, because I was gonna do it on a BMW. But we'll see if I can find something. It's just, you know, I know my friend, he wanted it, but then his friend got into a car accident, so he gave him his BMW. So what a guy, right? He gave him a BMW F Series. I forgot it was like a 2013, 2014. On top of my head, I don't remember. But if you guys were interested in this product, then I'll put a link below so you guys can buy that at least. But really good quality, very solid, very cool. But yeah, it's a Dasaita product, so I know it's gonna be good quality. And you can buy these from Amazon too, from Dasaita, so good return policies if something happens. So let's wrap this back up. But Dasaita always has really good customer support, so I've been using a lot of their products. Dasaita. So that concludes it. Another video I'll be making pretty soon is if you have a Toyota Corolla, we're doing an Android head unit on that. Ceramic coat for interior, exterior. Picking up my new project car, and putting all the parts on this car. So I'm gonna be pretty busy. Hopefully I'll be producing a lot more videos. I kind of do want to do once a week, and kind of like my old schedule, and try to hit, you know, 50,000, 60,000 subscribers this year. I'm at 48, 49, so I'm pretty close, but I really want to hit like 60,000 subscribers this year. So if you guys can do me a huge favor and like, comment, and subscribe and support my channel, that way I can keep my motivation high and keep going. But you know, I really appreciate you guys for sticking around my channel. I really started this channel in 2015, and you know, I didn't really expect it to grow this big. So I just want to keep you guys informed. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video, and see ya.